Fry master not heating, error 28. First thing I do, shut the gas off. Check for voltage at the blower fan. And should be coming on any second. When you see a little green light pop on the corner, there we go. That blower should be on. Green light is on. 0 volts. So problem is that little relay right there. Fortunately, I just used mine the other day, so I don't have one. So let's jump it out and see the blower run. So we were calling for heat. Check in for 12 volts DC on my relay and 11.04. So that relay is cooked. You see I bypass around it to get the blower to run and test operations. So I'm going to leave that bypassed. I'll be back in a couple days and change that relay. Alright, so all I did is just install one of these on that relay so it's constantly seeing power down to my blower. So this blower's going to constantly run, unfortunately, but they need a fryer. Just got to watch out. This wire that goes down to this plug is constantly 120 volts in, and then the one that comes up top goes to your blower motor. So just be conscious of that when you're working on this. But unit is up and running, and it'll get them by. I just used my relay the other day. I haven't got one back in truck stock, so yep, let's see how it does. Alright, unit went through preheat, and we are in full burn. Get that nice rich golden red color they want. So yep, there's the other one. So we will order a relay and be back, but this will get them by for a couple days. It's not a long-term fix, it's just short-term get them by. So see ya.